Click in the search field here in Maps, and a panel pops up that displays our recent searches, some Find Nearby buttons, and recommended guides for the area displayed on the map. If we click the Coffee Shops button in the Find Nearby section, those locations are displayed on the map and in a list with the one closest to my location at the top. If we move the map view to another city, say Bend, Oregon, and do the same search, it displays coffee shops in that area, not only those near my current location. Next, let's enter the term supermarket in the search field. In the list that pops up below, we get the option to either search nearby, which will apply to my current location, or search the area being viewed on the map. Click Search Nearby, and we jump back to the Boise area and see those results. If we want to search the area displayed on the map, we need to remember to click that option. We can use the search field to find just about anything, a specific city or town, or even a specific neighborhood. I'll enter Hyde Park, which is a local neighborhood within the city of Boise. In the list below, several other options come up for this search term, including businesses in that neighborhood and towns in other states named Hyde Park. We can search for a landmark, such as the Sawtooth Mountain Range. Or an exact zip code, such as 60061. We can also search for specific names that are saved in our contacts list. If I enter the name Jeff, the top result is Jeff Alexander, who is in my contacts. And 253 Amanita is saved as his home address, which is why the home icon is displayed here next to it. Search for Mike, and Mike B comes up, who is also in my contacts, but I only have his work address saved, so a different icon is displayed. As searches are performed, they are saved in the Recents list, which can be expanded with a click. When viewing this list, click the More button to share or remove each search individually, or click the Clear button to reset the searches performed today, this week, or this month.